Hey, hi guys, hello everyone, and this is very good news for BE, BTech, MSc, ME, MTech, and PhD candidates, and those who are literally waiting for this type of opportunities. Coming to internship opportunity, Amazon Bangalore, and coming to eligibility, engineering, any specialization, online summer school on machine and deep learning for remote sensing application by NIT Surathkal, eligibility PhD, MTech, MSc, BTech, third year students also can apply for this online summer course, and these are the important for ME, MTech, PhD research scholars conference on technology research innovation at IIT Raipur. Content of this video, we are going to see application are invited for internship opportunity at Amazon Bangalore for the year of 2021. Online application are open on the official website. You can see, go through website. Responsibility drive special project recruiting to build mechanism which can be result in meeting propose ideas inventions that can streamline standardize current TA process and improve efficiency of the TA organization. Develop a strong ability to filter candidate as per the position specifications. Eligibility any graduate in engineering. And coming to Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Nation Institute of Technology NIT Surathkal is organizing on online summer school on machine and deep learning for remote sensing application from July 5th to 16, 2021. And these are the objectives: providing exposed to practical problems and their solution through case studies in remote sensing applications. And these are the topics: introduction and application of remote sensing, introduction mathematical understanding of ANN, fundamental of imaging processing concept for remote sensing, machine learning for SAT data analysis, and also we can see other different types of topics. Students at all levels, PhD, MTech, MSc, BTech, those who are studying in third year and final year, that can candidates also apply or attend this program. Faculty members from academic institutions, engineering and research from industry organization including research and development. And here there is no registration fee. To register the summer school of last date registered June 28, 2021. And coming to International Institute of Information Technology, Raipur is organizing the International Conference on Technology, Research and Innovation for Betterment of Society being held during December 17 to 19, 2021, Friday to Sunday at DSPM International Institute of Information and Technology, Raipur Tribal IT. And these are the topics: VLSI, circuits and device, low power design techniques, memory and computing process done. And we can see also some other topics like machine learning and deep learning, mining and big data analysis. And this is the important dates for submission: June 30, 2021, acceptance notification September 15, 2021, registration open Wednesday September 5th, 2021, registration open Wednesday September 15th, 2021, registration close Thursday September 30, 2021, last date of registration Sunday October 10, 2021. And conference dates are December 17 to 19, 2021, Friday to Sunday.